Don't dilly-dally or you'll miss what we're making today. And we wouldn't want that now, would we? With Memorial Day right around the corner, it's time to start thinking about what new side dishes we're going to be serving at this year's picnics and barbecues. Of course, we're not giving up our old favorites, but by adding a new one to the mix, it'll keep things exciting. And the one we're sharing with you today is diabetic friendly and summertime fresh. We start out by cooking about 2 pounds of red skin potatoes until they're tender, but not mushy. After we drain them, we let them sit for a bit while we mix together some low-fat plain yogurt, a bit of mayonnaise, a squirt of Dijon mustard, a splash of apple cider vinegar, and a few spices. After cutting the potatoes into chunks, we add them to a dressing, along with some diced celery, chopped red onion, and some freshly chopped dill. We toss this all together before popping it into the fridge to chill for a bit. You see, with the fresh dill, the accent of the mustard, the vinegar, and the tang of the yogurt, this has everything to make it the star of this weekend's holiday bash. So what do you say you go online and get the recipe for what we call Dilly Dally Potato Salad? And no one has to know that it's diabetic friendly since it's so big on taste. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fresher and brighter way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.